Do your legs feel like they're slowly giving up on you? And what if I told you the real cause isn't just age, but something happening inside your muscles that you can actually stop? Have you noticed you need to grab the railing on stairs? That keeping your balance while getting dressed is a challenge? Or that a short walk leaves your knees aching? If you're over 50, this isn't a life sentence. It's a biological process with a name, sarcopenia. This is the gradual loss of muscle tissue that starts in your 40s and speeds up with each passing year. The scary part is how silently it begins. A little less power standing up, a wobble when you step off a curb, a walk that now feels exhausting. But these small signs point to a much bigger threat. Medical research clearly links weak legs to a higher risk of losing your independence, and it can double your chances of serious falls. Some doctors even say our vitality starts from the ground up, but here is the truth that changes everything. You can fight back. You can rebuild this strength from your own home, no gym membership or fancy gear required. The secret lies in activating the specific muscle fibers that age tries to shut down. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful movements to reclaim the power in your legs. They are backed by science, recommended by physical therapists, and designed to target the areas we lose fastest: your thighs, glutes, calves, and stabilizers. Let's begin with exercise 1. First, the loaded carry. This is a profoundly functional movement that builds a rock-solid, stable body. By walking while holding weight, you engage your entire lower body, core, and grip in a coordinated effort. This constant stabilization fine-tunes your neuromuscular coordination, teaching your brain and body to work together seamlessly. Studies show this kind of exercise can improve balance in older adults by over 30%, drastically cutting fall risk. You're not just building muscle, you're upgrading your body's internal stability system. Furthermore, a strong grip is a powerful predictor of longevity and heart health. By holding weight as you walk, you directly train this vital marker. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. To perform it, find 2 equal weight objects like full water bottles. Keep your chest up and shoulders back. Walk 20 paces forward and 20 back, focusing on steady, controlled steps. The goal is perfect posture, not heavy weight. As you improve, gradually increase the load. This simple practice strengthens bones, boosts confidence, and makes every movement feel more secure. Next, the calf press. Never underestimate the power of your calves. These muscles are your body's second heart, pumping blood back up towards your chest with every step. When they weaken, circulation suffers, leading to swelling, heaviness, and poor stability. Strengthening them can boost blood flow significantly and reduce the risk of falling. They also act as natural shock absorbers, protecting your joints.